Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make good pho. Start by roasting bones, onion, and ginger until browned, then char spices briefly. Cover with cold water and skim foam during the first hour. Maintain a gentle simmer and avoid boiling to keep the broth clear and clean. Taste and season gradually with fish sauce, a touch of sugar, and salt to balance savory, sweet, and umami notes for a classic pho bowl. In this video, I will explain how to time aromatics for flavorful pho. Toast whole spices until they release fragrance, then wrap them in cheesecloth or a spice bag. Char the onion and ginger, then add them to the pot early so they fully infuse the broth. Keep the heat low to extract flavor without clouding the liquid. Strain carefully and adjust seasoning after straining to preserve a clean, balanced taste. In this video, I will help you assemble pho for maximum flavor and texture. Prepare thinly sliced brisket and rare thin beef to cook gently in hot broth. Arrange rice noodles, fresh herbs, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and sliced chilies on the side for customized bowls. When serving, ladle boiling broth over the assembled bowl to warm everything and finish cooking proteins. Offer condiments like hoisin, sriracha, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.